Okay, so if you're ready to download Photoshop Beta, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the Creative Cloud desktop downloaded. You can find this at creativecloud.adobe.com. Just find where it says Creative Cloud and click download and then wait for the prompts to finish. And you'll find yourself here. From here, you want to scroll down to where it says Apps in your plan. Click on that. And on this next screen, scroll down to Beta Apps. And then right under where it says Installed Beta Apps is where you'll find your new Photoshop Beta. From here, just click Open. Now, most people want to try Generative Fill, but here's what ends up happening. You finally get it downloaded, you're ready to start, and then suddenly you look up here and Generative Fill is not there. Why is that? The reason is because you haven't made a selection, and Generative Fill only works with selections. So watch what happens when I select this path. Now we've got Generative Fill. I'm going to click on it. And what you can do from here is I'm going to type in dirt path and I'm just going to see what Photoshop comes up with. Look at that. That looks pretty good. Over here on the right, you've got a few different options to choose from. You can pick whichever one you like best. And I think that does a really nice job. Another way you can use Generative Fill, just really quickly, I'll show you one more way and then I'll let you play with it. You can do your selection and then instead of typing something in, just hit Generative Fill and let Photoshop decide what you're going to do. So here, Photoshop decided to put in some twigs and that kind of thing. By the way, you can move this up out of your way and click on these three dots to pin the bar to the top so you don't have to deal with that anymore. And then once again, we've got three different options to choose from. So yeah, this is real fun to play with.